Hey y'all, I'm back with another cooking video. Today we're going to be doing loaded taco salad. I'm going to be using some tortilla chips, some black beans, corn, onions, some bell pepper, tomatoes, ground turkey, a spring mix, and some Ortega taco seasoning. So stay tuned. Okay y'all, let's get started. So we're going to start off with our pan. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to our pan so we can just go ahead and saute our onions and our garlic up. Also with the and bell peppers. Like I was saying, this meal is super simple to make. It's really quick and easy, and it's perfect for a hot summer day. It's super simple and yummy. So we're gonna saute our veggies up, our onions and bell pepper, and I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic in there. We're gonna saute those up until they're like nice and soft before we add our ground turkey to the skillet. So you wanna make sure your heat is also on medium heat, and you're just gonna just toss those around the pan before adding your ground turkey. Okay guys, now I'm adding the ground turkey to the skillet. I'm adding that to the bell peppers and the onions and the garlic, and this just gives the meat an added bonus. It just gives it a lot more flavor. I don't like dull salads. I like my salads to have as much flavor as possible, so this kicks up the salad up a notch. This is like, to me, mainly the main star to my salad, my meat mixture. So I'm gonna brown up this meat before adding the taco seasoning. So as you can see, the meat it's done and it's brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and add our taco seasoning to the skillet. I'm adding that taco seasoning, and I like to just stir it in and make sure each piece of meat is coated with the taco seasoning before adding some water to it. The package calls for some water, so I am going to add some water to the mixture, and I'm going to let that simmer in. While the meat's simmering, I'm going to go ahead and work on our toppings. I'm going to take these black beans out the can as well as my corn. I'm just going to drain them and rinse them really good just to get all that starch off of them. And I did pop these in a microwave for a couple seconds before assembling the salad. So let's go ahead and get ready to assemble. So I crushed up my tortilla chips. I laid that down first on a plate, and you can assemble however you want to assemble. This is just what I do. So I have my a bed of tortilla chips on the plate, and I'm going to go ahead and add my spring salad. And just add as much as you want. Most people use iceberg lettuce, but I'm not a fan of iceberg lettuce. It doesn't have much flavor, so I use a spring mix, but you can use whatever you want to use. And then I'm just going to add some corn. Use how much corn as you want. And I'm adding my black beans. And you can add as many black beans as you want. And then on top of that, I'm going to add my ground turkey. And also, before you add the ground turkey, just a quick note, make sure it's kind of cool because you don't want it to wilt your salad. So it is, my turkey has been cooling for a minute. Now I'm just going to add it on top. So I'm topping with my ground turkey, my cooled ground turkey, and after that I'm going to add my onions and bell pepper. I like onions and bell pepper, but if you're not a fan of onions and bell pepper, or raw onions and bell pepper, you don't have to add it. But this is just what, like I said, I like. And after that I'm adding my shredded cheese. Add as much cheese as you like. This is actually cheddar cheese that I'm adding to the top of the salad. Now I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes that I sliced. And then after the cherry tomatoes, I'm adding some cilantro. And I love cilantro. And so I'm adding some avocados that I chopped up. After I chopped these, I just went ahead and squeezed some lemon juice on top just so that they can stay nice and green. So I added the avocado on top. And then after the avocado, I'm adding some jalapenos. And I just give it some heat because I didn't add any type of, anything that was going to provide the meat some heat. So I'm adding the jalapenos to my on top of the salad because my husband's not a fan of spicy food. So I'm just going to put that on top of my salad. And then we're all done. Look how yummy the salad looks. I'm not going to put any dressing on there on top, but if you want to, you can go ahead and put dressing on top. I can eat this just as is, just with all the the veggies and the tortilla chips. It's really good and it's really simple. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.